Welcome back to the Cordless Vacuum Guide, and in this video, I'll show you how to clean the Roomba J7 Plus. There are two methods in cleaning these robots. The first method is the non-invasive method where you clean the exposed areas like the outer part of the base plate, the extractors, and side brush. A second method is a more invasive one if you want a more thorough clean, which requires you to remove the base plate, which I'll show you later in this video. So let's get started.
You'll need a few things before starting. First is a Phillips screwdriver to remove the bolts. Next is a brush to remove dust from different components. If you have a handheld vacuum with a brush attachment, that would greatly speed up the process. A microfiber towel can replace the brush since dust will stick on its textured surface. The first step before anything else is to clean the dustbin. If you have a J7 with the base station, emptying it isn't necessary since it does it for you. However, there will be dust residue left since the base station won't be able to get everything out. While you're at it, check the self-emptying port underneath the dustbin to see if anything is blocking its pathway. Clean if necessary. The next step is removing and wiping the extractors. My favorite tool to clean this is a microfiber towel, since dust will stick to it. Also, check the axles for any hair wrapping on them. Don't forget to wipe the cleaning head module where the extractors sit. In the case of my J7, you can see caked on dirt sticking to it. I tried using the handheld vacuum, but it didn't work, so I had to rub it with a microfiber towel. Next, remove the bolt holding the side brush and wipe it using a microfiber towel. Next, remove the bolt holding the side brush and wipe it using a microfiber towel. With the side brush out of the way, it's time to remove the base plate by unfastening these bolts. Once you get the base plate off, you'll have access to clean the inner components. Again, use a microfiber towel or handheld vacuum to clean these. There's also better access to cleaning the wheel module assembly and lengthening its service life. Once everything is tidied up, reattach the base plate, tighten the screws, reattach the side brush, and the bolt holding it, and you're done.